Hey friends, if you wish to increase the ping speed and fix lag on in your games on your Windows computer, then please watch this video and I will guide you through the resolution. So the main resolution is to increase the internet speed. For this, I suggest you to either use a wired connection or bring your computer closer to the router. So all we need to do is to go to fast.com and check the internet speed here. If it is not good enough, then you can do the needful. But let us say that the issue is not with the internet speed. In that case, try the following fixes. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on check for updates. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Select network reset. Click on reset now and then click on yes. Okay, so this is what you have to do. But there's one more solution that you have to try. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can select Windows Update on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane click on update all or install all to uninstall all the updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.